Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are very well. So, welcome to class 4. As in class 4, you will have computer science subject as well. So, let's ready to learn computers. Quickly take out your book, chapter number 1, which is History of Computation. In this chapter, you will come to know about the historical evolution of the computer. It further explains the growth of computer from the first generation to the fifth generation of computers. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to know counting history, Abacus, Napier's bones, Pascaline, difference engine, first generation to fifth generation of computers. Let us go in the early era and let us know about the counting history. Man used his fingertips to count, then he used pebbles and stones to count things. Even today, a child learns to calculate using his or her fingers. As human being was very curious and always in search of the best solution, this curiosity led him to develop first calculating tool called Abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device invented in China over 5,000 years ago. It is a rectangular wooden frame with 12 or more rods containing beads. A crossbar divides these rods into two parts. The 5 lower beads on each rod represents the 5 fingers and 2 upper beads represents the 2 hands. The beads are moved along the rods in a particular way of calculations. Now come to the next topic, Napier's bones. In 1617, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, designed a manual device called Napier's bones. This bones was a set of 22 rods with number 1 to 9 marked on them. Napier's bones was used to multiply and to calculate big problems. Pascaline. A French mathematician, Blaise Pascal, invented an adding machine. Pascal was the first mechanical calculator invented in 1642. This machine was capable of doing addition and subtraction only. In 1671, Leibniz improved the Pascaline calculator a way that it was capable of doing multiplication and doing division too. Let us learn about difference engine. An English mathematician, Charles Babbage, designed a machine called Analytical Engine in 1834. Charles Babbage was called the father of computer. This machine was designed to calculate arithmetical problems. Analytical Engine was designed in 1834 AD by Charles Babbage. The idea of this machine gave the right way for achieving modern computer, so Charles Babbage was called the father of computers. You can see the working of Analytical Engine in this video. Lady Ada Augusta Lovelace assisted Charles Babbage in his efforts. She was the first person who gave step-by-step instructions to the analytical engine. So that's why she is known as the world's first programmer. Now take out your copies and do this work in your copies. Define counting. It is a universal truth that to count something, a number system is needed. The process to count something is called counting. Abacus. It is a rectangular wooden frame having rods which contains beads in it. It is used to solve mathematical problems. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What is the first calculating device? Abacus is the first calculating device. Question number 2. Who is the father of computers? Charles Babbage is the father of computers.